Today I'm going to show you how to make an embroidered ring dish. This is polymer clay, which I poked holes in, baked, and then used embroidery thread to create the contrast stitching. This project is easy and fun, and you can make it any way you want. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a subscribe if you want to see more, and if you do not want to miss anything, hit that little bell and you'll get notifications every time I post. I do post twice a week. I'm not going to tell you the days because I may be switching my schedule. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or any comments about the video or about the process. I would love to help you, and I'll see you soon.